What's up, everybody? Today, we're not doing car videos today. It's actually, we're gonna go spend the day out, going around. We're probably gonna go to a mall, a few stores, I don't know, buy random shit. Just take our mind off the cars and everything that's going on right now. But, look who's over there. Look who's over there. Hey.
It's like, I feel like you should just start off,
She's in her own little world.
From stage one and build up, and then kind of work with what you have. Because
but yeah, I'm not gonna make a car video today. Let's see. I don't know. I probably want to go see if I go find one of those cheap drones, since the drone I had, my little cousin took it from me. I'm probably gonna go buy another cheap drone and go to the mall. I don't know. Go have some fun. Take my mind off things. But I'll catch you guys in a little bit when we go to the mall. Alright guys, we just left Walmart. We did actually pick up a small drone so we can fuck around with when I get home. But it says it has 4K and it has all this other bullshit. Let me see, man. Look at this. Look at this. You can't even see it. Yeah. But yeah, we're gonna go to the mall now. And well, gotta go to Five Below first and get a case because my phone has no case. Her phone has a fucked up case, so we're gonna go get a case. But we're gonna go to the mall, spend some time there, and then we're gonna go home and probably shoot some videos with the drone and see how we can stabilize it and ride it, whatever the fuck we wanna call it. But yeah, we out here flying the drones, but one of them got stuck up there. Where the fuck this nigga at? I don't know here thinking he can fly drones and shit. Yeah. But we got some good footage with the drone. I like it. I'm gonna put some of the videos at the end here, but we're gonna try to get this drone down from that tree.